Hello YouTube, here I have another RC car. This is the TENSPEED C80. This is a brushed version of the C70 that we just reviewed a couple of weeks ago. Basically the same car. We'll do a comparison video later. But let's look at it and point some of the features here. So this comes in black blue color, which is a nice color, by the way. The other variant with the brushless motor, it's a golden black and green and black. I like this option too. Tires are fairly hard compound, but it provides a good grip. I already ran this vehicle, and you see the box right there. We will do the traditional look around the box. TENSSENX, that's the name they call this one, and the name brand is TENSPEED. 1 through 14 scale, four-wheel drive, high speed. So let's look at it. As you see in the background here, comes with a set of pedal tires, great for snow, great for dirt, great for sand. Doesn't have really tall fins, but yeah, it's good that you get this in the package. This unit here only comes with one body shell. The brushless version comes with two body shells. Everything else, it's about the same. Has a wheelie bar. It has a nice spoiler. And take the cover off. Here you see the big size 50/40 motor size brushed motor. The ESC, it really looks like the other ESC, but you see there is just one, or I mean it's missing a pin, so they probably using the same heatsink, but some internals here must be different. The shocks are also frictional shocks only, no oil in it. Metal drive shafts, which is great, very durable. The receiver box right here in the top, same size servo, really small and tiny. Control arms, everything is plastic and very flexible, including these rods right here. There is a nice metal brace that connects the two towers. You see how flexible this is. This pins is kind of already going inwards. I think it should be more like this, but you see it's gonna bend just by pushing here. You see that the towers are bending, and see how quick it goes back. That's because there is no oil in it. Comes with two 2S LiPo or life batteries, 2000 milliamps. Nice manual, which includes the parts list, as well as a detailed exploded wheel. If I can get there with one hand. There you go. You have some more. The other page, very detailed. You can do your maintenance really well with this. Controller is also something that we recognize from other vehicles. You have your light switch here, 70, off, and 100. This is to regulate your trim. Very easy to drive one-handed. You can easily control here. Feels good in the hand. Requires two AA batteries, not included. It comes with two chargers. Not sure why they send you two. Bag of nuts and a little bit more of a pins. Comes with a differential for rear or front. I believe they're the same. Another drive shaft, dog bone style connections, two shocks, and some wrenches to take your wheels on and off. So that's about it. Not much. We'll do a comparison with the brushless version. You can see it's almost about the same, but I'm really happy with this car. We'll do a run videos and a lot of more reviews, running on dirt, running on all kinds of terrains. So we'll see how this handles. Going back here and now just looking at the box, see what we can learn about it from the box. You have the color scheme here that came with, blue and black. You have the name brand. This is the name brand, TENSPEED, and this is probably the model number or the model name. The item number here is 95225. 1 through 14 all-wheel drive. Information about your controller, and this is where you can see the model C80 listed right here. It has this green color over there, nothing here, nothing here, and then all your traditional information in the bottom of it. I just noticed that they were reusing some of the other boxes because it says 11.1 volts, but it actually comes with 7.4 volts. So this is not accurate. But anyway, also the number here is the same as the other vehicle, which can't be. Those are different vehicles. So a couple of improvements to be made to this box and label it properly. So far, I'm happy with this. We will go for a spin right now. All right, so here we have, this is the brushed version of it. I'll be running one-handed, as you can see here. See what I can do. There isn't a lot of grip on this one, but we'll see. Goes pretty quick. Keeping it straight. Coming back. Full speed. That's full throttle right there. Bus stop, bus coming up. Coming back. I believe you can actually jump this car and rotate quite a lot. It's really light. It doesn't have oil in the suspension. As you can see, it bounces a lot. Look at this. See? But because it's very light, it's not really a huge problem. Red is pretty tall here, but it's keep on going. Bus is gonna go right here, of course. Why would not go? Time for kids to come back from school. And we are here having fun and doing a review. Oh, look at that. All the way down there. Holy cow. So it flips, but if you're careful, you can really have a lot of fun controlling here. Look at this. Not hard to control, not hard to control at all. I'm driving one-handed, remember that. So it can be easier if you have both hands available. You're gonna do much better than this. It's fun. Hell of a fun vehicle, look at that. 4x4, quick. I hope that this is also durable as many of the other cars I'm reviewing recently, because it doesn't matter if it's too fast and brakes too easily, right? You wanna have a fast car that doesn't brake that easy. You don't wanna break these RCs in the first try. All the way down there. Coming back full speed, and I'll try to do a jump. Jumped pretty well. Would be better if I had a ramp. Really light so far. All wheels is spinning, which is a sign that everything is working good. Go that way, come back. The tire doesn't have that much grip, so you almost can drift. Look at that. A good tip I have is anytime you're doing this, if your vehicle is jumping out of control, just release the throttle, because if you don't do it and you hit the ground with maximum throttle, you can actually break something. So I think this is gonna do it for now. You could notice that this car works pretty well. I'll do a lot of different testing and I'll be sharing my true and honest review with you as always in this channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you in the next one. Alright, so let me share some pictures here that I found on the internet. Here's the pedal tires, the 2 batteries, 1 body, and the remote. Gonna be running on the grass. Those are all the parts included in the box. Several parts to replace. The shocks, frictional shocks only. You have the brushed motor with 45 amps ESC, 60 kilometers an hour 2S LiPo, metal chassis, wheelie bar, and Phillips screws. Again, the pedal tires, the box for the the controller, receiver, and this is the support on top of the body, skid plates, very nice to see. So please subscribe if you have not yet, and I will be bringing these reviews to you as often as possible. Thank you very much.